Hi everyone, myself Abhishek. Welcome to my channel. Today I am explaining my new project, NextStepperAI. So, what is NextStepperAI? NextStepperAI is a platform that uses artificial intelligence to guide users by providing the industry insights, help building resume, preparing cover letter, and for interview preparation, it helps a lot. Although it analyzes tasks, suggests optimal next steps, and streamlines workflows, empowering users to achieve their goals more efficiently. So, when you put your first impression to my website, you will see a beautiful polished landing page right there. When you click on the Get Started button, it should redirect to the auth page. By the way, we use Cloud SDK for the authentication route. After submitting all of these things, you should be redirect to the Industry Insights page. This page includes various things like market outlook, industry growth, the demand of this job, top skills, and more. Let's talk about some other features of our application. So, when you click on the growth tools, there should be three main features from our website should offer. The first one is building resume. You can build your resume by clicking this tool. The second one is cover letter. You can enter your job description, your company name, and the role that you have been applied for. The third one is interview prep. You can prepare your interview as per your preference. Okay, this might enough for you to get some idea of our application. Now, let's do this in practice. Okay, now it's time to run our code. So, as you can see, there is a 7 ports running out there. When you visit my GitHub repo, you will see there is a few things you can do. Like first one is git clone, second was the npm install, and then you have to create an .env file to your root directory. Make sure to fill the required API keys before running this project. After that, you have to migrate the Prisma and start the ingest dev server. After all of this, run the development server. Now you can find your website at localhost 3000. Now go to your favorite browser you want to use and type localhost 3000. This may take some time, but here you go. You can see your AI career coach for professional success. Let's scroll this down. You can see there are a few features in our application like AI powered career guidance, personalized career advice, insights powered by advanced AI technology. Interview preparation, practice with role specific questions. Industry insights, you can see the various tasks and smart resume creation. How it works, you can see, you can read all of these things right there. There are FAQs right there. All of these things you can find in the landing page. Let's click on the Get Started menu. After clicking, you have two options. The first one is continue with Google, and the second one is continue with email. So, menu, let me continue with Google. So now I want to use this account. Let me click it, and it say by continuing Google you shall blah blah blah. You have to continue. So now we are successfully logging, and then it said you have to complete your profile. So let's say select an industry. So mine is obviously technology. Select specialization. Let me select like software development. Skills. Let me select JavaScript. Personal bio. I let's say uh, I like JavaScript and click on the complete profile menu. Oh, years of experience. let's say one, and click on the continue. And now, here you go, industry insights, market outlook. The market says positive in the next update in 7 days. The industry growth 12%, demand high, top skills Python, JavaScript, AWS, cloud computing, agile, etc. Salary range, software engineer. I can see there is a median salary, max salary, mean salary. Data. I can be a data scientist. I can be a DevOps engineer. I can be a front end developer. I can be a back end developer. I can also be a mobile developer. There are key industry trends you can find like AI, ML, cloud computing, cybersecurity, DevOps, big data. Also, there is mentioned recommended skills that you should consider to learning like Python, JavaScript, AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, etc. Now, let's move on to the next tool. Like we previously discussed, there's a growth tools right there. When you click, let's say we want to click on the interview prep. Let's click on that. Now, you can see I have not participated in any quizzes. Therefore, my scores are everything are zero. So let's click on the start new quiz. And again, it is saying that this quiz contains 10 questions specific to industry and skills. Take your time and choose the best answer for each question. Let's click on the start quiz. These are like mock interviews, you can say. You have to wait a bit. Oh, here you go. What will be the output of the following code snippet? Console.log type of null. So let's say I don't know the answer. And let's say I just randomly select all the answers. Let's say I select all the answers randomly. I don't know the answer. 3 more to go. Final quiz. Oof. Let's finalize this. Okay, quiz completed. Now you can see I scored 30% out of the 10 question mentioned right there. So let's get back to the interview preparation. And here I can see the performance trend. So I have scored March 1 at 30%. My average score is 30%. I participated in 10 question and all of these things. You can participate more quizzes and therefore your graph should be like this thing. Like also you can review your answer. There are various tools right there like cover letter, building resume. Let me click on the cover letter first. As you can see, I have not created any cover letter yet. Let me create a new one. Create new. Let's say the company name is Meta. Job title. Let's say I select front-end developer and a bit of job description. Let's say I say make stylish components using Framer motion. I think this is enough to generate a cover letter. Let's click on the generate and let's wait for the magic. Here you go. I am writing to express my enthusiastic interest to the front-end developer position at Meta as advised on blah blah blah. You can see it has already been written a well-written cover letter. You can see my deep appreciation for JavaScript has been driven me to dedicate considerable time to mastering its indices. This is a beautifully written cover letter. You can't deny. Let's click on the back. I can create multiple by clicking this menu. Although there are various tools right there, you can you can try building resume, interview, cover letter, and etc. So these are the tech stack I've been using to build this app. The first one is obviously Next.js. The second is Tailwind CSS, Clark SDF for the authentication, Shetcian and Astronity UI for the UI bit, and for the language I have used TypeScript. Although you can find the Git repository from this link github.com/icoderobject/nextstep. Everything that everything for your setup has been mentioned right there. You can see there's a database URL and everything. And how can you set up? There is a every and each bit has been mentioned right there. Do check it out and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.